Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's going to be a really fast video. I get a lot of questions about good quality chocolate. What is good quality chocolate? What isn't? And I always say in the comments that your chocolate should melt within seconds of touching something hot. For today's video, I am going to be using a very good quality white chocolate here. And I have it right here, and this here is recipe W2. This is a Belgian chocolate. Callebaut is the name of the company. If you can find this, let me just move it into view here so you can see it. If you can find this type of chocolate for white chocolate, it is really good. So I've taken out a few of the chips from this bag, and now we are going to heat this little spatula. So there are a couple of ways to try this test. You can heat up a piece of metal like I'm going to do here with a hairdryer, or you can do what you see me do in many videos where I use a double boiler. So I'm going to grab my hairdryer, and I just want to get it on here, and I'm just going to heat the metal up. So I just want to do this maybe about 30 seconds. I just want to make sure that this is nice and hot. Okay, that's pretty hot. I'm going to turn that off. We're going to grab a couple of these, and I'll just put them on there. I'm going to show you how fast this chocolate starts to melt. So you put it on like that, and watch this. Can you see how easily and how quickly that chocolate is melting? Right away. Let me zoom in. Let's go here. So there you see it, and you can see this chocolate just melts so easily. If you have a very low quality chocolate, this will not even happen at all. So that's it for today's really fast video. I just wanted to show you how easily and how quickly a good quality chocolate melts. And I would get the exact same effect with a dark chocolate or a milk chocolate. The other way that you can perform this test is to take a pot of simmering water, put a heat-proof bowl on top, and then just drop a few pieces of your chocolate in, and you should get the same effect. So that's it for today's video. I hope this has answered many of the questions that I get with the type of chocolate, the quality of the chocolate that you're using. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And remember, every single video that you see here on my YouTube channel is also on my Bake Like a Pro Facebook page. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time.